So it's someone here with 2 dogs off their lead. Here, stay here. I think it's 2, might just be 1. But, he's seen it, knows it's there. Stay here. Knows it's there. Stay. He's running around. Zeus is being really calm. I'm about to run out of film here. Damn it. I'll have to try and wait. Right, so that guy is still down here. I ran out of SD card there, so I had to transfer over, but we're recording again now. This geezer's just in front of us. He started to speed up a bit, but I just wanted to catch it on video because Zeus knows that there's a dog there and he didn't run. It wasn't that far in front of us, but he never attempted to run off. He stayed to heel, and he's still at heel now. I haven't had to ask him at all since it took about 3-4 minutes to transfer the data to my card, and he stayed right close to me. These 2, they're a little bit excited. Chase, here. They've gone a little bit ahead. Hit this way. Go on then. Ooh. But as you can see, he's just down there now. It's hard to see him, he's quite away. He has sped up. But Zeus knows he's there, and he knows there's a dog there. And he hasn't attempted to run after it at all. Not at all. You can just about make him out at the bottom of the field there.